certification, where has it reached at the administrative level?
See, blue flag certificate, they have to form what's called committee. I've been following up with the collector. So collector will follow the committee and the committee will share the people. Committee has to get the locals involved, like fishermen. They have to identify people who are involved in the trade, different trades, because we can't displace them.
So about blue flag certification, I have already approached the district collector, and you are hopeful that he will be forming committees for that.
See, Minister of Environment, Nilesh Kabra, called a meeting, and I was there for the meeting. The meeting, they proposed that they will take a 5 decisions in Goa. So that it is in that stage. From that stage, then the next stage, they will form a committee. So committee is being formed now.
So meantime, today there was awareness about the blue flag certification, of how the citizens will be involved and they have to be involved for this certification.
See,
Right?
basically, I किती लावून meeting आपली blue flag certification आहे. लोकांना blue flag किती लावून जाय. लोकांना किती करपाक जाय ते blue flag आलो. And people have to support. They can't oppose. See, that's why you are also local from here, so that you should support the blue flag certification.
Which is the authority who gives the blue certificate? Authority.
No, that main company is from Denmark, and we have got a company from Chennai to looking after Goa, and they have already taken water samples from Bayana Beach. See, water sample is one major first step. Second is then they have to give proper toilet facilities, vehicle parking, ramps, disabled friendly. There are a lot of things there. There is a big list. So I feel Vasco will prosper.
सर लास्ट टाइम खंय तरी जाल्लेलें कोण कोणाचो ओपोज आसलो एका ब्लू फ्लॅगाक लागून
The blue flag code oppose na. See, blue flag oppose. I don't feel oppose in other places like I don't Miramar. But then after that, the people understood that it is required. See, Church Square is for tendering. Basically, Church Square, I want something iconic Vasco. And maka naka lokan the road crossing korba. And vehicles be and now with the foreign coming, we'll have less traffic in Vasco City.
So it is already, the project has already been discussed and decided.
It will be tendering stage.
Tendering stage. It's the same thing what he explained to us now.
If you can start doing demonstration दाखवलं पळय, is there enough space करपाक beautification आणि सगळें चर्चे करून church square?
Church Square, there's no Atlantic Ocean kai na. See, with the available space only we are doing.
What is the amount, total cost estimated?
Amount total cost, see, because we in case we first phase, second phase. First phase, I think about less than 4 crores.
By when can we see it starting, approx?
See, we are just waiting for the approval from the government, from the finance department. Immediately it will be tendered.